clinical research, how to work as a clinical pharmacist in top 5 countries. What if I told you the most important person in multi-million dollar drug is not the doctor or not the scientist, it's the pharmacist. And right now in 2026, 5 countries are actively recruiting clinical pharmacists offering salaries from 60 lakh to 1 crore 50 lakh a year. And the question is, are you ready to step into that role? The global clinical trials market crossed 80 billions last year and is projected to hit 110 billions by 2030. Every single one of those trials need pharmacists to manage investigational drugs, ensure compliance and review protocols and protect patients. This is not dispensing behind a counter, it's being a decision maker at the research table. Let's break down the top 5 countries where demand is exploding. USA. FDA oversees thousands of trial salaries ranging from $130,000 to $160,000. UK. MHRA reforms $50,000 to $90,000 with research funding opportunities. Germany, the pharma giant like Bayer and BioNTech, $70,000 to $1 lakh. Canada, progressive scope of practice laws and $90,000 to $1,30,000 Canadian dollars. Australia, global trials hub, $95,000 to $1,40,000 AUD, actively recruiting internationally trained pharmacists. Get your credentials. Form D, postgraduate diploma in clinical research and GCP certification. ICH GCP training is globally recognized and can be done online. Build trial experience locally, volunteer or intern at hospital trial units. Even in India, AIMS, Tata Memorial and PGIMER runs registered trials. Target CROs first, IQVIA, Parexel, Syneos Health and Fortria. These organizations hire internationally and sponsor visas, making them your fastest route abroad. And here's elite expertise makes the difference. We help overseas pharmacists transitioning into these global roles, guiding you through exams, credentials, and structured preparation. Hundreds of pharmacists have already moved abroad with our support. You can start today, just comment pharmacist below. Our team will connect you. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe.